Hello, young mathematicians. Today we're going to talk about reading and saying numbers that go into the hundreds. It's something that we talked about in our last class, and I want to make sure that as we continue down the road through second grade and into third grade, that we have a strong understanding of what place value is for numbers that go into the hundreds. So I am just going to write, let's do, what color should I do today? Oh, my pencil needs to be turned on. And we'll do, I always like blue. Let's do the number 415. So the way that we are going to say this number, one way to think about it is I know all of you know numbers that go in the that are double digits, which is double digits, so ones and tens. I know how you know how to say those numbers. So one way to think about it is when you have a number in the hundreds, imagine that you don't even have that number. And then you're just going to say this part. And we say that part by saying 15. And then basically what you're going to do is if there's a number in front of it, you're going to say, like, let's say it's a 5. You can say 515. We could say 525. You could say 570. So as you can see, all we're doing is saying 5, then we're adding 100, and then we're saying the number next to it. And that's how we say numbers in the hundreds. So, oopsie, I erased my numbers here. So for the number 415, we would say 415. That's it, 400. But make sure you say the 100 part, okay? But what if we have the number... Okay, let's see. What number should we do? Let's do a different color. Let's do green or pink. I like pink. 761. So we apply the same rule where we know how to say 61. 61, we know our double digits, our tens and ones. Then we're going to add, if we have a number in front of it, we just say the number, then 100. So 700, because it's a 7, 761. Now, this applies for any number in this spot. What if we have 3? We do the same thing. 361. What if we have 8? 861. What if we have 9? 961. What if we have 2? 261. So I hope that makes it a little bit clearer for you. We're going to do some practice in our next class on how to say numbers in the hundreds. We're going to even move into the thousands. Yeehaw! I'm excited. We're going to do some counting practice. So the best way, I think, to really learn how to say numbers is to just count and count and count. So here I've got, starting at 99, we've got, I didn't mean to do that, didn't mean to do that either. We've got 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, and you just go on and on and on and on. We can talk a little bit about skip counting. I want to make sure that everyone knows how to say numbers that are double digits, tens and ones together. 10, I'm just skip counting here. Draw a line. Skip counting by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And what do you notice is it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip counting by 5s over here. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. And what do you notice? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. And I think that's it. Let's do some quick practice. I'm going to write a number and think about to yourself how you would say it, okay? And now just remember that you start off in the hundreds place, and then you say the number, then 100, and then you're going to say the tens and ones place numbers together. So here we have 452. If you thought to yourself 452, you were correct. Let's do the next one. If you thought to yourself 368, you are correct. Let me write it out, this one, 368. You are correct. Now, we're going to look at this place value. I'm going to write a number. If you thought to yourself 217, you are correct. 217. Okay, let's just do one more, and then I'll see you in class. Let's do this one in orange. Okay, now remember, you're going to do the number that's in the 100 spot and say that number and then 100. Then you're going to say this part. 110. 110. That's the number. Well, kiddos, I'm excited to see you in the next class. We're going to have some more fun. Don't worry if this doesn't come to you right away. We're going to keep working on it because practice makes progress. And on that note, I will see you next time.